He'd never admitted in a million years. He ran on down to AutoZone, got one of them oil line filters, or whatever that is. Where'd you get that filter?
This?
That ain't a stage 3. No, this one. No, see, he tries to point at the other filter like you don't know which filter.
This filter here?
Yeah, that was probably that.
That filter came off of the SSR probably. I needed one, so I put it on here, and I keep her clean. She's old.
He washed it for me earlier. He said he washed it.
Brand new carburetor.
6 months ago.
Brand new NGK plug.
Nice.
That's the same nitrous plug I run in my Camaro.
Nice.
Pretty sweet.
So that's from the Willies, or
no?
You just willied her over?
Man, we had that welded on there so
muffler.
this bitch wasn't floppy.
Yeah.
And then I needed to adjust the chain. And so, yeah, we had to cut that off to adjust the chain. Everything's from Go Power Sports and Keller.
And then you got this muffler too?
Oh, the whole thing.
How long have you had the kit? How long have you had that built? A year and a half?
About a year and a half. Maybe
so,
a year
so let me
months.
just be real with y'all. If you leave your shit outside, 60% of the time, not hounding David.
Or if you get it hot and you ride it in the mud and the water and it's hot,
stain it.
It's going to do this.
It's going to stain it too.
Unless you WD-40 it up.
Well, that puppy, this is what happens if you leave it out. You guys got your mini bike just for showing, because you can't ride for shit. And I know that this is what you could expect if you leave it outside. Look,
this motherfucker ain't been started in 3 or 4 days. We're gonna see if she'll start first pull.
He pulled down the road and tried to. It did a minute ago though. You want to choke it, or is it just beastly like that?
Brand new from Go Power Sports.
Nice.
Brand new front wheels and tires from Go Power Sports.
Nice.
One new seat belt from Go Power Sports.
Minus one seat cover needed.
Seat cover was out of stock, but it is in stock now for $60 in Keller. They have it in stock.
Nice. You gonna rip some donuts on it, or you a chicken?
No, you can.
Oh, dude, I don't even ride these things. We could just set it over there when we're done. No, I know the story.
You know what happens when I ride it?
On concrete, that's what I was saying. Yeah, I know. Twisted frame.
I gotta drop it off, pack up, and drive all the way to West Texas tonight to start working in the morning.
Well, congratulations.
Go back to my normal job with some insurance and some real money.
Just fogging up the windows in that old snitch room you work in, where you sit there and you tell on everybody for.
Oh yeah.
Where you sit there and you say, look, I got this sumbitch on video.
I'll check it out. Brand new clutch.
Ooh,
I don't know what the red spring is, but it's like a high stall. Brand new belt, big cam, 22-pound springs. I adjusted the valves, or the rockers and all that shit about 5 days ago.
Does it have the flywheel?
No billet flywheel.
Oh man, so did you delete the gov?
Governor's deleted.
Did you play? Oh, I see your JB. Oh, you damn shot a self-topper. He shot a self-tapper in it like a bot. Done right.
What?
Roof and screw.
Oh, that up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Blake JB welded mine, man. It cost me. I understand why. I understand why you didn't pay somebody.
Power Sports what to do, and that's what they like.
Yeah,
real.
They'll shoot. No, when you have it open, you can shoot that self-tapper in there, clean out whatever drops in.
Yeah. Because I had it all apart to do it, you know.
So it was stage 1 or stage 2? I don't remember.
Stage 2.
Stage 2.
It had a 22mm carburetor on it. That's a 24.
All right. I mean, I'll ride it if you'll hold the camera. You told me you was gonna do wheelies and shit, and said that you busted. He pretty much the story was, he came out. He had to chop the frame to fit the badass carbon intake, and then he came through and he wheelied so hard, tore this a new one, and he's been scared of it ever since.
Hey, if you go on Go Power Sports website and look at their pictures, this one's on there. It's the first Trailmaster cart ever with a stage 2 kit on it set up like this. And they asked for pictures and all kinds of shit. There might even be a build story on there. I'm not sure.
Hell yeah, from years ago, boys. Was it about 18 months ago, right?
No, about 9 years ago.
9? What?
I'm kidding.
No, dude, this Predator, this is a pre-Predator?
That's a good one.
All right, let's rip her out and let me see if it'll even...
Look, here's your tank. Didn't even drop it.
Nice, don't kick it. Can you unload this? You said he said he's gonna have his wife help him load this.
She did load it.
Why didn't you load it?
She helped me.
He's like, hey, I'll have Jessica go out there.
Let it dig in the ground.
Like on a wheelie. So you're gonna ride back there, right? What, the brakes are locked up on it? Or
No, the brakes ain't locked up.
Stupid belt. What am I supposed to do? Get tetani while I ride it?
Yeah. Just don't let this grab on the fucking dirt on the ground. Pull it up.
What, I gotta hold it with my butt cheeks?
Or put it on.
No, dude, I don't need no fucking belt. He said this is posi track. Y'all tell me. Y'all watch and tell me if both tires get spinning, because I ain't gonna do nothing but turn the wheel straight to the left or right and give her hell, boys. And if I can see a rock, I'm slinging her David's way. You got this?
Still recording?
Yeah, buddy. Oh, hog ass cam,
woo,
dude. It's a cold day. It's only 95 degrees right now. So this kill switch works. Because you got fucked up with the throttle.
It's got double kill switch. If this kill switch don't work, you reach back here and hit this kill switch.
Yeah, this one's better. You ain't even gonna get in it? Let me check all the... Dude, it's got rear... Dude, this is fully suspended. What? He's shaking his head.
You gotta get the RPMs up, man. They don't have one of those. You gotta stick your foot out.
He wants me to rip it 30 mile an hour in one direction and then cut it.
Do that. Come through here. Go hit it in the gravel.
No, I felt it.
Hey, go up the road and then come back with that bitch aired out. See, let it open her up.
Right here?
Huh?
You didn't hear it right here? I ain't gonna run out of gas, right?
Nope.
You didn't hear it? It sounded like it wanted to bother on the...
I think he's scared to go full throttle or something. 'Cause that ain't all of it.
Hey, that's looking black now, not rusted, boys, since I heated her up.
It'll go away.
That looks like a mini bike. That looks like
back chrome next time you ride it.
Yeah. Yeah, and this is going to turn into real gold, boys.
Yep.
I'll probably have it sold by then, too, I bet. Hell yeah, dude, that's fun. Scared. Look at the little wiggly put in it, boys.
Swapped out the carburetor and
this is Bondo job here.
Fixed all that. No, that's duct tape, so we can ride it at night. We have flashlights we put up here, big bright ass LEDs, and we ride it at night.
That's his body job. He just painted this, you guys.
Oh yeah.
He just painted it.
Oh yeah.
This is what the side of his noggin looked like.
That's what the side of my noggin hit. My head hit right there.
Oh shit, it probably did. Just held it in place while it drug you a couple feet.
Scraped me down the road.
Damn it. Then he said, look, Jessica saw that little incident where I rode the go-kart. It was embarrassing enough getting stuck in it, but wrecking it and then getting stuck in it, she said, I gotta sell it, man.
I wrecked it, then went up the street and got the seat, sat it back in there, flipped it over with that old carb. I had to put my hand over the carburetor and pull it a couple of times and then yank it, and it'd fire up. And I tried to get the hell out of there before the neighbors saw what the hell was going on. Big
somebody
flipping go-karts out in the middle of the street, middle of the town.
Rumor has it there was a child in there with them, but they got tossed pretty good.
I took it on a test drive because the kids wanted to ride it. And I said, let me take it around the block, make sure it's good to go. I couldn't keep it idling, so I was messing with the cable in the back. There's an adjuster there. I can mess with the idle. So I was holding it, getting it warmed up, and I guess I didn't screw it back together good. And I made the corner and was going up the street as fast as that bitch would go. And when I let off the gas, it was pinned, and the brakes wasn't enough. So then I was going to show my 2-wheel skills around the corner. It came up on 2 wheels. I'm like, all right, that's cool. And it was kind of doing like this, and it hit some gravel and just slammed me.
Damn.
I was like, damn, that kind of sucks. Come look at the wheel. Got a little curb rash. That's where it ate into the asphalt and then slung me over. But that's all it did, man.
Yeah, that's all.
Just brain damaged me, and then she fired up and wanted to keep going.
But it's hard dependent on the go-kart. Like,
no, it's all me.
All them fumes and stuff he's getting with the brain damage, not the poor driving. Obviously, the throttle hanging's all your fault.
Well, this A-arm's pretty new looking.
Yeah.
My son ate a tree one time.
Pinched it.
Showing off.
Showing off.
He's cutting the tree as close as he can get, and he clips it and slings his stepsister out of the side. She wasn't wearing her seatbelt. Busted him up pretty good, so had to replace all this side of the suspension. So that's new.
Nice.
All the bushings are good on it. There's no wobble in the bushings or anything. New wheels and tires. Front end alignment was off for a good while, so we had no tires left. So I put wheels and tires on it, gave her a good front end alignment.
Is this the first off-roading it's seen?
Oh no.
It's only been on black. Oh, it's been off-road before?
Oh, yeah. Is it all scratched up? Hell no, she ain't all scratched up.
Just the scratcher plate back
that
there.
Shit's like new.
It's got a wicked carb leak when you're riding wheelies on it. I'll have to adjust that if I'm gonna ride it.
Pissed all over Jessica when we were loading it.
The way I ride, damn, y'all must see, dude. Jess, I need help loading it.
Yeah, she peed out a little over here.
No, that's typical, man. When I ride wheelies, like the guy behind me that's losing the race, usually gets it pretty bad.